So hello everyone! I'm gonna unbox my advent calendar. So even if I am old already, I still open advent calendar. So this is my husband's surprise. So my husband said I still have the right to open advent calendar. So, and it's exciting, guys, to open advent calendar because you're gonna open it every day. Tada! So, ang ganda ng pagkabalot, guys. Diba? Ang ganda ng kabalot niya. Tara! See? And charan! So, ayan yung laman niya, guys. Ayan. So, yeah. This is from Impecta Frohandel. Så den mörkaste tiden på året kan våren kännas avslagen. O, diba? So, Swedish po siya, guys. This is Swedish company. So, and I'm gonna open the number 1. So this is the number 1. Charan! So we'll see kung anong laman. Close muna natin siya. Chuk. Yan. So, it's number 1. O, diba? O, diba? So, calendar. So calendar. Calendar sa pagtatanim dito sa weather ng Sweden. O, diba? So yeah, I love gardening books and, you know, flower or planting. So ito yung number 1, calendar. Planting calendar. So kasi nga iba ang weather ng Sweden. So ayan. So yung nakasulat para daw sa akin. So it's for me who want to know how Sweden planting season works, o diba? So it's easy to follow with tips and inspiration. So yeah, for the whole gardening season. So, yan. O diba? Napakasimple lang, guys. Pero nakaka-excite. O diba? Ganun lang. Ganun lang kasimple yung number 1. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. So, until 24 po siyang bubuksan. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much, always Impecta, for, you know, the surprising advent calendar. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy Advent. First Advent. So, bye, everyone.